What if you could uncover hidden insights, automate complex tasks, and predict the future all with one powerful tool? DeepSeek is here to do just that. From revolutionizing how we search for data to making sense of vast amounts of information, this groundbreaking technology is reshaping industries worldwide. Stick around as we dive into 8 amazing things you can do with DeepSeek. In today's world, where data is king, having the right tools to process, analyze, and utilize that data is crucial. DeepSeek is one of those tools, and it's packed with incredible features that can transform how you approach everything from research to business analytics. Whether you're a data analyst, a business owner, or a tech enthusiast, this list of capabilities is going to open your eyes to the future of tech. Number 8. Enhanced image and video recognition. Let's kick off our list with one of DeepSeek's most powerful features: image and video recognition. In a world where visual content reigns supreme, DeepSeek stands out by recognizing objects, faces, and even written text within images and video files. By using deep learning models, DeepSeek can analyze video footage, photos, or surveillance data to identify patterns and extract useful information. Whether you're in security, marketing, or media, this feature saves you countless hours of manual tagging and gives you access to actionable data in real time. DeepSeek doesn't just see images, it understands them, helping businesses automate everything from content moderation to visual search in e-commerce. For example, an online store could automatically suggest similar items based on visual similarities, creating a seamless shopping experience for customers. Number 7. Perform real-time data scraping. At number 7, we have one of the most useful features for anyone who works with live data: real-time data scraping. Imagine being able to gather up-to-the-minute data from multiple sources, whether it's from websites, news feeds, or even online databases, all in real time. DeepSeek makes this process not just easy, but also incredibly efficient. Data scraping isn't limited to just gathering raw data. DeepSeek can intelligently extract and process specific information that matches your needs. This makes it ideal for market research, competitive analysis, or even tracking social media trends. You no longer have to rely on outdated reports or manual checks. DeepSeek gives you live, actionable insights whenever you need them. Number 6. Predict trends with machine learning models. DeepSeek's predictive analytics are next at number 6. Thanks to its ability to build and train machine learning models, DeepSeek can forecast trends, behavior, or even financial market shifts based on historical data. Whether you're in business, finance, or meteorology, the ability to predict what's coming next is invaluable. For example, in stock market analysis, DeepSeek can predict the potential rise or fall of certain stocks by learning from past patterns and market indicators. Similarly, businesses can use these models to predict consumer demand, inventory needs, or even upcoming trends in specific markets. This gives you the foresight to make smarter, data-backed decisions. Number 5. Streamline customer insights with sentiment analysis. Customer feedback is gold, but it's often hard to interpret at scale. That's where sentiment analysis comes in, and it's one of DeepSeek's most valuable capabilities. By processing customer reviews, social media comments, and survey results, DeepSeek helps you understand the emotions behind the words. It automatically classifies feedback as positive, negative, or neutral, and identifies underlying sentiments, whether customers are thrilled with your product or frustrated with an issue. This can directly inform your business decisions, product improvements, or marketing strategies, making it easier to engage your audience and improve customer satisfaction. Number 4. Unlock powerful data analysis. At number 4, DeepSeek truly excels at powerful data analysis. This tool can take massive amounts of unstructured data, whether it's raw text, images, or video, and turn it into digestible insights. By leveraging machine learning and AI algorithms, DeepSeek uncovers hidden trends, relationships, and patterns that traditional data tools might miss. For businesses, this means actionable insights into customer behavior, market shifts, or emerging opportunities. Researchers, too, can use DeepSeek to analyze academic papers, scientific data, or global trends, saving them time and revealing new avenues for exploration. Number 3. Personalize user experiences. DeepSeek's ability to personalize user experiences takes customer interaction to the next level. By analyzing vast amounts of data from user behavior, preferences, and interactions, DeepSeek helps businesses deliver highly targeted recommendations and personalized content. Imagine shopping on an e-commerce site that suggests exactly what you need before you even search, or a streaming service that knows what you like to watch based on your past viewing habits. DeepSeek makes all of this possible, ensuring that customers feel valued and are more likely to engage with tailored content or products. Number 2. Advanced Natural Language Processing, NLP. DeepSeek's advanced NLP capabilities bring us to number 2. Whether it's translating languages, extracting key insights from documents, or summarizing large chunks of text, NLP allows DeepSeek to handle complex language tasks with ease. This feature is a game-changer for businesses dealing with multilingual content, legal documents, or vast amounts of unstructured text. By understanding and processing natural language, DeepSeek can automatically categorize, summarize, or extract meaning from text, reducing the need for manual labor and boosting productivity across industries. Number 1. Detect fraud and anomalies. And finally, at number 1, we have fraud and anomaly detection. This is one of the most critical uses for DeepSeek, particularly in industries like finance, cybersecurity, and e-commerce. DeepSeek can analyze user behavior, transaction data, or network traffic to spot irregular patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. Its real-time detection system can alert businesses to potential security breaches, unauthorized transactions, or even cyber attacks, helping them act swiftly before significant damage is done. In finance, DeepSeek can automatically flag suspicious activities, making it a vital tool for fraud prevention. And there you have it, 8 amazing things you can do with DeepSeek. From advanced data analysis to fraud detection and predictive analytics, DeepSeek is truly a game changer for businesses, researchers, and anyone working with data. If you're as excited about the potential of DeepSeek as we are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into groundbreaking technologies.